25 ways to make money online from home. Hi there, today I will talk about 25 ways to make money online from home. This video will outline some of the best and easiest methods to make money online, and go into detail about 25 ways to make money online from home in 2019. Look around you. Everything you see, experience, and do can be used to make extra money online. While you may not know it yet, the advent of technology has given everyday people the ability to make money fast from home, and make tons of it at that. When you need to make a lot of money from home, you need to make a commitment and create goals. Forget about making money with the push of a button. While current technology makes it easier than before, it will not happen overnight. To start an internet business, you need to have the right mindset and the dedication to make it happen. Although the internet is an online world where everything can be automated and may generate income 24 hours a day, 365 days a year, the automation of an online system does not happen magically by itself. You have to work for it, learn about the ways to make money online, then actually muster up the drive to make your idea a reality. Making money online takes work like any other occupation that generates viable revenue. However, it is not too difficult to learn how you can earn income in ongoing work from home. This is a great deal of work to forge a good economic future, but the key here is consistency and patience. If you're willing to put time and energy into your business, there are many ways in which you'll be able to take advantage and use to make a lot of money from home. Top 25 ways to make money online from home. 1. Make money online selling affiliate products. One of the easiest ways to make money online from home is by getting into the affiliate marketing game. Affiliate marketing is a marketing practice in which a business rewards one or more affiliates for each visitor or customer brought about affiliate marketing efforts. In simple terms, affiliate marketing means that you as a blogger or site owner to promote the merchant's product or service. If a visitor to your site buys the product, the merchant pays you a commission. 2. Make money online with blogging. You can create a professional-looking blog in less than an hour on Blogger or WordPress, oftentimes for very little cost or even free. Once the content has been built and an audience is captured, you can make money by showing ads through advertising programs like Google AdSense, or selling affiliate products. 3. Make money with online surveys. Companies doing market research will actually pay you to get your opinion about their products. 4. Make money writing articles. Writing articles is one of the most popular ways to make money online. You do not need to invest money and you don't need to have a website. 5. Make money with YouTube. YouTube is the most popular video site in the world, claiming more than 1 billion unique users every month. With this type of traffic, it can be pretty easy to make a video, monetize it, and start making money online. 6. Make money online selling photos. 10 years ago, nobody ever thought it would be possible to take photos then sell them online. But with sites like Pond5 and Shutterstock, you can do just that. These sites will pay their partners every time somebody downloads the images they upload, and you will get paid a commission. That is usually somewhere in the area of 50%. 7. Create and sell digital books. Creating and selling an ebook can make the writer money on autopilot. Once you write the book, set it up to be purchased, and tell people about it, you will more than likely receive purchases for years to come, even after you move on to other projects. 8. Earn extra money from advertising. You can make money from serving ads to your visitors, and make money every time somebody visits your blog or views your YouTube video. Popular ad platforms include AdSense, buy-sell ads, and infolinks let people with minimal knowledge of technology incorporate ads in nothing more than just a few clicks. 9. Earn money by surfing the web. There are quite a few sites where you can register for free and get paid for surfing and click on ads that are pop-up. 10. Upload files and share online. Uploading files on those sites that are used to share documents which can upload any kind of interesting files you have. And every time someone makes a download, you get paid for it. 11. Make money with buying and selling domains. Buy and sell domains and resell is a lucrative business. Making websites or blogs, then sell your website on flippa.com or sedo.com to make money by selling domains or website. 12. Buy and sell online through drop shipping. Drop shipping, direct shipment from the wholesaler, is a service that allows you to sell things online without having to maintain an inventory of products. 13. Make money by product review. Some companies pay to posting a review of their products. For example, on the site softwarejudge.com, will pay for the use and review of the programs available in your collection. You can also choose to review affiliate products, and every time someone buys that product through your link you get a commission. 14. Working as a virtual assistant. As more and more traditional companies are creating their sites to expand the network of internet, they need virtual assistants for research, finding things, making phone calls or installing softwares, programs, etc. 15. Make money online with Amazon Mechanical Turk. Amazon Mechanical Turk is a service by Amazon, where you can perform simple tasks in exchange for a small payment. 16. Send blog posts to social media websites. Bloggers and small companies need to create accounts on all social bookmarking services, websites, marketers, and to help them get more traffic. 17. Provide professional experience in the virtual market. The new generation of freelance work gets to a point in which companies turn directly when they need help to develop their projects. For example, sites like Ellens covers everything: programming, writing, and design. 18. Making money online with your own product. This is definitely one of the most lucrative and fastest ways to make money online from home, since you do not have to share the money with anyone and not have to wait for anyone to send payments. 19. Make money with creating software. Do you know how to create a software? If yes, you can create software, plugins, extensions, smartphone apps, or custom PHP script. 20. Make money posting in forums. People starting a new forum often pay people to publish, to attract visitors to see that they have enough activity, and attract more people to join the discussion. 21. Make money on Fiverr. You can make money online from home, doing almost anything imaginable for $5. Simply register for free and post your gig. What you can do for $5. 22. Design custom t-shirts and other items. You don't have to spend money on products, storage, printing, layouts, shipping, payment processing, and return. Cafe Press is responsible for all this. 23. CPA Advertising. Cost per action, CPA Advertising, is a much easier version of affiliate marketing, and most of the time you do not have to sell anything. 24. Make money online with Forex trading. You can make money as a currency trader. This is not very difficult, but you must learn first about it. 25. Make money as online tutor. You can register in companies such as eTutor and Tutor.com if you enjoy helping others learn. With this you could earn extra money. I hope this list can give you some business ideas and inspiration to make money online. If you like this video, please make sure to subscribe to Tips Make Money channel. Also, please like, share, and comment on our videos. We really appreciate it. Thanks. Thanks very much for watching.